Okay, so what is that one thing you need to do to improve your life? Whatever your life is right now, yeah, you can see that. Whatever your life is right now, what you can do to improve your life. So you need to select option one, two, or three. Just in case if you chose option number one, this card actually says that yes, you have been experiencing some delays, or you have been experiencing just being stuck in one position, and this is actually making you feel like nothing is moving forward. In order to get out of this, you need to, yes, you need to work on, you need to pray more to God. You need to start praying more to God. If you do not believe in God, just believe that there is a creator that created everything in this world. Okay, and you need to start connecting with the divine so that you can start progressing in your life. Just in case if you chose option number two, this card actually says that you have to start feeling that everything is all right. Okay, you need to start feeling that your body is all right, your body is healing, your body is getting better, and you can even join the gym. If you are doing totally healthy, you're totally healthfully, you're totally fine, then you need to join the gym so that you can start feeling better from your body. This is what is going to help you. Just in case if you chose option number three, this card actually says, you have seen both the phases in life, like the good and bad, something that's very good, something that's very bad, you wouldn't like to experience, and you need to be aware that both of these things are a part and parcel of life. You need to learn to juggle through it, you need to learn to shuffle through it. So yeah, so I hope that this makes sense. Let me know in the comments how did you like this reading, and if you want this reading to be like a more detailed version, let me know. Yes, on the number that's given on the screen, we can do a more detailed reading on this. And if you are wanting to become a tarot reader, yes, being a tarot reader means you can help people make life changing transformations. You can do that, and while doing that, you're also earning money. So if you are interested in becoming a tarot reader, or so in order to become a tarot reader, yes, comment below so that I can send you, you'll become a certified tarot reader. By the way, I'll be sending you the link of registration for my courses. Okay, so until next time.